Hey everyone, welcome to the guide on how to change your name on Roblox. Whether it's your display name or username, I've got you covered. So let's dive right in. First, head over to roblox.com/home and log into your Roblox account with your usual credentials. Once you're logged in, click the gear icon in the top right corner, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Inside your account settings, you'll see two name fields, your display name and your username. These are different. Your display name is public and free to change, while your username is tied to your account. To change your display name, click the edit icon next to it, type in your new name, hit save, and you're done. You can update this once every 7 days. If you want to change your username, click the edit icon next to it. Roblox will ask for 1,000 Robux to make the change. If you don't have enough Robux, you'll be given the option to purchase more. 1,000 Robux typically costs around $9.99 USD. Once you have the required Robux, enter your new username, confirm your password, and then hit save to complete the change. And that's it. Your Roblox name has now been updated. Remember, usernames can only be changed with Robux, but display names are free to update weekly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.